What's going on, guys? Crown Garage back with another video. In today's video, working on an exhaust for my best bud Memphis. So let me show you what exactly I mean by working on the exhaust. So we got this Team Suzuki Yoshi pipe. Obviously these are pretty hard to find. You can't buy them anymore new. He got this with his new quad, which we will be releasing a video on soon. Obviously, if you know this, then you know it might look a little funky. I'm going to get into that. But first, let me just explain what we're doing here. So, this exhaust, obviously, is a little bit short. Now, it doesn't have holes drilled in it around the outside here. Basically, what's happening here is we're replacing the packing in the muffler. This stuff, junk. Now, the more important thing to note here is that I had to cut this exhaust short, which you can do on these. Why did I cut it short? You're probably asking. Well, if you look here, this is from corrosion on the cast piece that goes in the end. It pushed the end of the exhaust out, causing it to, well, likely leak if it were put on the four-wheeler. That's garbage. Now, you're probably asking yourself, how is the center pipe going to fit properly if the exhaust has been cut? Well, I took a little bit of material off both ends, and now it works. Gonna have to get into lining the holes up so we can screw the end piece on. This piece goes in, we can rivet it back together, and we're going to be getting muffler packing tomorrow, and then we're going to try to polish this thing up, make it look nice. So stay tuned for all that, because I think this thing's going to turn out really well for what it is. Alright guys, so after just a few minutes of working with this thing, I mean, I did like a brushed finish on it. It looks super good. Pulled the logo off, cleaned under it, re-riveted it. Did a nice finish on the tip. I mean, this thing, once it's on the quad, is going to look amazing. Really, honestly, the only thing that's left to do is knock this back out one last time and drill the holes out for this. And then once we get the packing, we'll be mint. So I think this thing turned out great. I mean, I basically am just restoring it. I'm not going to pop the dents out of it. I'm not even going to try to, just because I don't want to screw it up. But I think this thing turned out sick. The plan is we're going to go down to that hole before the stop sign. I'm going to give you a 3-second head start, and I'm going to see if I can catch you by that hand.